Hey, what's going on, guys? So it is Paul Motley here with another live training for you. So I just want to make sure that everyone is on and they can hear me. So if you are listening right now, no matter what platform you're on, I just need to make sure that you can hear me. So please just type a number 1 into the comments. And also as well, so if you are just tuning in, we just ask people to drop 1 if they can hear me, because I want to make sure that this is going live. But I want to teach you guys about affiliate marketing and specifically teach you about how to pick your offers through affiliate marketing as well. So if everyone's ready to go for that, we will get started in just a second. But I just wanted to go back over what we did yesterday real quick. So what we were doing was looking at specific ways that affiliate marketing works. And of course, affiliate marketing works because you are able to help other businesses sell their products. They pay you a commission for it. So it's effectively just like you went to the movies and you saw the latest Bond movie. You went home, told all your friends about it. They went back to that cinema, bought tickets, and went and enjoyed the film themselves. But this time, guess what? The guy who runs and sells the cinema and sells the tickets for the cinema is going to give you a paycheck for each of those customers that you provided him, right? So that's affiliate marketing, right? It's like referral marketing. Now, when we talk about marketing, online marketing, digital marketing, it kind of gets jumbled up a little bit. So we want to make sure it is real nice and clear to you guys. So we're going to say this is where you're recommending people, right? So that's the traffic from you. We're going to send them to an opt-in rather than direct to the product. They're going to make a purchase. You're going to get a commission. Amazing. But you're also going to build your email list at the same time. So more about that later on. So what I want you to do is you need to pick offers. Now, I'm going to go over the top 5 personal recommended offers, if you like, later on in the video. So make sure that you are plugged in right till the end, because that's when I'm going to show you the 5 that I would pick right now if I was just starting from scratch. So what I want you to think about is there are kind of like only 3 things which you really need to focus down on right now. And those industries are sort of like health, wealth, and relationships. So if you can find something within that niche that you are passionate about right now, then you could well be on a winner. Now, why is it something that you need to be passionate about? Well, because I found if you are passionate about something, if you're passionate about the actual thing that you are promoting and you're passionate about the niche of your business, you are 10,000 times more likely to follow through with it and also then make a good income from it, because it's something that you will enjoy. If you can enjoy your work, doesn't that sound so much better than just plodding on, working for a boss that you hate or working for a job that you hate and having to really smash it out each day just because you're on this treadmill of life and all that good stuff, right? So you don't want to be doing that. So let's go over the basics. And I'm just going to explain exactly what we're talking about. So again, if you think about it, traffic, we're going to send them to an offer, we're going to go to a product, they're going to make a purchase, we're going to do a commission, you're going to build an email list. Now, if you stick around for tomorrow as well, it's worth noting that I'm going to show you a live example of this. So it is super cool if you do get to hang out tomorrow with me as well. So that make sure that you are subscribed to me on whatever platform you're watching on right now. So hit notification bells if it's on YouTube, make sure you're subscribed, and also as well on TikTok, follow, like, and all that good stuff, right? So drop a comment, let me know you can hear me and I'm not just babbling to myself as well. So that is really, really important right now. So let's just go. Where can we find offers? Well, I always start out with, when I first started, what I did was I kind of looked at what I was already using. Okay, right. So if I was running my business or doing anything like that, I would look at tools that I already use and see if they have an affiliate program too. And believe me, 82% of everything online right now that sells a product has an affiliate program to it, right? So you're not going to have to look too far to go and find those products which have an affiliate program. So I'm just going to go over a couple to start with. So a lot of the times I use like Activecampaign, ClickFunnels. So Activecampaign is here, right? This is an email autoresponder, which again, we kind of need to build your email list, one of those things that you need it. So if we go all the way down to the bottom, you can see become a partner. Yes, they have an affiliate program. Boom. Excellent. Good stuff. Another one, Sales Funnel Builder. ClickFunnels, used it for a very long time myself. Great product. And of course, this does have an affiliate program to it as well, right? So I'm not going to go into that, but there is It's basically inside. Here we go, affiliates. There we go. You would just be able to go ahead and become an affiliate with ClickFunnels too. Right, so where else can you go and find offers from? Well, a really good thing to do would be to go and take a look at YouTube. Now, you might think, that's not really a place I'm going to start looking for affiliate offers, but it can give you inspiration and ideas for sure. Because if you think, all right, so I want to look and I'm really like passionate about fashion and beauty or something like that. Or if you are really into sports, or you're really into gaming, or you're really into movies and TV shows, music, anything like that, or even learning, right? You'll find, especially in the learning tab here, you'll find that a lot of people that are doing or putting stuff out on YouTube really have something to sell. Yeah, so there will be something else on the back end that they are trying to sell, which you may well become an affiliate for. Boom, sweet. So another option for you, find ideas through Facebook. Believe it or not, this is a sponsored ad right here. It says sponsored on it. This is for VMO. They do video hosting, things like that. Very much, I've used them in the past as well. Something really cool. They have a paid platform as well as the free option. So of course, if you recommend other people to use that, you're going to get a commission, and that builds up like the passive income thing. So we talked about the passive income before. It's really cool to have something that customers will have to pay monthly for, right, to stay as a customer, because then you will keep earning money each and every month that they are a customer. So that makes a lot of sense too. Right, so what else we got? Another place to look for is CJ Affiliate, right? So this is Commission Junction. There's a whole bunch of stuff on that, right? So all the way down to the name brands in the high street, you can go ahead and become an affiliate for those products and services. And of course, you can get a commission when you sell that as well. So let's have another look at one. ClickBank. Probably the number one place that a lot of people will go to when they're first starting out. If you go and take a look on YouTube, for example, how to become an affiliate with ClickBank, how to make money on, with ClickBank and all that stuff, you are going to find that there's a whole bunch of different people trying to sell you courses, and there will be an affiliate program for those courses to show you how to sell as an affiliate on ClickBank, for example, right? So that's one of the big things that a lot of people have done. But you will be able to promote top performing products, and you know, there's a whole world of information going out like that, but we're not going to go into that right now. Another place to look at is JVZoo and also Warrior Plus. Now, both JVZoo and Warrior Plus tends to be more sort of software and mini course based. You might find that the value, I guess, of some of the products on there, it may be slightly less. So just be aware of that. You're going to be going into a slightly different market. If you want to stay more of the high end, more of the other stuff, then obviously stick with what we're doing there as well. So once you've picked an offer, then obviously it's time to start building that funnel. Now, if we head back to here, what I want to be able to do is just show you, let's go back to where we were, show you how to build a funnel like this, right? Which is going to be an affiliate opt-in, an affiliate bridge page, a product page, and then most likely that you won't need to build this, or this, because all of that, hang on, it's not letting me, all of this, it's still not letting me do it. All of this side, basically, that one, and that one, they are done by the product owner. You don't have to worry about this. This is where we live. This is where we are. So I'm just going to draw, I love trying to draw shapes around these things because it never works. I'm going to draw a big old shape around this. Come on. It's not going to let me do it, or is it? Oh yeah, here we go. So this is where we live. This is us, right? So this is what we want to make sure that we're building. Now, as promised, we are going to go over a live example of this tomorrow, but I did say that I would give you my top 5 recommendations for what you would, if I was to start again and go out and start promoting, what would I be doing? So let's start off with number 1. And number 1, yes, old favorite of mine, Activecampaign. It allows you to make some really cool automations. It's not that expensive. It depends on the size of your email list. So that's where the pricing comes into. And of course, there are some special deals on right now. Amazing. But let's just say we're going to go for monthly and you've got 1,000 contacts. The light version is going to cost you about 21 bucks. Okay, right. So they do have an offer on right now. But yeah, it is something. If you want to get started out there, then you can get started for real cheap. If you've only got like that, then it's only going to cost you 11 bucks to start with. So that's pretty decent. Number two. So number two is going to be my old favorite, ClickFunnels. Been an affiliate for them for years. You've used the software for a long time. In fact, once you actually get to like 100 affiliates with ClickFunnels, they will put you on as a dream car winner. Something that I qualified back in July 2019, basically. So they effectively paid an extra amount as a dream car bonus for you to have a car, which was pretty cool, on top of your monthly commissions and that as well. So number three is going to be an old buddy of mine, Spencer Meekham. You can actually become an affiliate with his courses. It's been pretty much, if you're in the affiliate marketing niche and you're part of ClickFunnels, for example, you're going to see all sorts of good stuff based on what Spencer does. And you can see there's a tab here to courses, and of course at the bottom there is also a little bit down here where you can go ahead and get free stuff from him, which is excellent. But you can be an affiliate as well. Yes, it has an affiliate tab, so you can get 50% commissions off his courses. So that is super cool. So number four, we're going to go for Jonathan Montoya's. He has a 3-day program showing you how to get your business off the ground in 3 days. It does have an affiliate program to it as well. Really like this. It's helped me when I've been trying to grow my YouTube or my TikTok account as well. So it's well worth getting inside of that. It's only $7 to start. So there will be links to all of these, of course, in the description of the video once I get around to doing it. So number one is going to be the Unlimited Life Academy. Right now, a small disclaimer here, I am actually part of Eula Suites, so obviously I'm promoting it to you guys because I think it is pretty darn awesome right now. So why are we doing this? And as an affiliate, you can get amazing commissions as well. But if you think about it, we can go for this. So you can have a basic account, a pro account, or a platinum account. And of course, by getting inside of this, it's not just a software, it's not just a sales funnel builder, it's not just a CRM, it's not just an email autoresponder all built into one. You're also getting a community as well at the side of it. You're getting access to other experts and also the exceptional support that you get inside of a community as well. So one of the really cool things that I love about it is the fact that we help train you to become better at whatever your business is. So if you want to be, or you're an inspiring affiliate, for example, inside of this program, inside of this software, inside of this community, you are going to be able to learn directly from us, and of course leverage everyone else that's inside of it as well. So when you actually have something to a point where you want to grow your audience, or you want to build a program or a product or a course or training or anything else like that, not only can you draw from our experience, but also we will help you launch it and become affiliates of it as well. So you are leveraging everybody inside. So as I said before, that's the top 5. Make sure that you are subscribe to all the channels that this is going out onto. So I will see you again on the next one. But of course, remember, that's when we are going to go starting into doing a live example of actually getting this thing built out so you can emulate it as well. So for now, that's me, Paul Motley. I'm out. We'll catch you next time.